All right, so some people do not have the animate or some of these like assets in their Adobe Animate. For instance, some people may not have this background, which is the skyscraper background. I went ahead and gave you the compressed file. Now, obviously, you can't go through and like click and download all of those. So what you do is you come here, open a new window, and then download. Once it decides to work. There we go. So then you hit download, and then you're going to come up to, you'll see this little AN little folder symbol down here, and you're going to go to your Adobe Animate, go to your assets, click on these little horizontal lines, click on import, and then go through your downloads and find skyscrapers and click open. Okay, once you open, it'll import it here, then you click and drag it over, and then click to place it. All right, so that is how you get assets from other people. So I'll probably be posting assets for y'all to work with in the future. So go ahead and import the skyscraper into it, set it into the left side right here so that's even with the stage, and then continue on with your video.